In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to passively work your toe extension. So, first thing I want you to do is I want you to come into a position where you're on your knees with only your toes in contact with the floor. So what that looks like is I've got my toes in contact with the floor, the rest of my foot is elevated, and from here I'm in a position where all of a sudden, even at the moment, I can really feel my toes stretching out and the bottom, the underside of my foot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this stretch position, and then once I'm at the point where either I can't tolerate any more or alternatively I need a break, I'm going to come out, and then as I sit down and back into the position, the more I sit down, the more weight comes through those toes, the higher the stretch is going to be. So if you're in this position or you can't get to this position and you're thinking that's way too much, what you would do is you'd start off in this position, come down to where is tolerable, hold, and then come back up. You can hold for your desired amount of seconds, repetitions, and sets. So it wouldn't matter if you held for 15 or 5 seconds, whatever you feel is most comfortable. But for the full variation, it would be here, sitting back and also with the body back, that would be the absolute maximum that we could train through extension. That's how to passively stretch your toes through extension.